Hey guys, what's up? It's YouTube Tips and Tricks. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and do another video on the YTA method. I was actually planning on putting this off for a week, but it's a pretty simple video and I was excited to give you guys a little bit more information. So before we kick things off, like always, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, stay in touch with us for future updates, and if you haven't watched the whole series on training, make sure to do so. And if you do want to go more in depth with the training, make sure that you check out the link to our Patreon page and sign up, and you get exclusive access to all of the content. But anyway, let's go ahead and start off this video, guys. In this video, we're going to be talking about the sustainability hack. In this video, it's not about the viral surfing that we talked about before. The viral surfing being you finding a topic in your niche that is trending and jumping on that wave. Today's video is about staying on that wave, which is where the sustainability hack comes into play. The main focus of the sustainability hack is creating evergreen content. Now, many of us say, what is evergreen content? Well, evergreen content is content that will forever be fruitful to your channel. Let's use my content for example. It'll always be useful to new YouTubers and will continue to grow throughout time. Another example I've seen is a video desperately trying not to touch our faces. Well, right now with the coronavirus pandemic going on, desperately trying not to touch our faces is very popular, and that's going to be a trending topic. But in the future, that content might not be evergreen, so that is catching viral trends, the face touching thing. It won't be relevant a year from now, but it will gain you views now. The problem is, if you only do trending content, you're creating assets that are going to eventually die off. Now, that's not a bad thing. Say if you make a trending video that takes off and gets millions of views, you can make $25,000, maybe $30,000 off of that one video. I don't know about you, but if that dies off and I still made $25K off it, that's worth me to create that content. But what's important, while you're creating the trending videos, you're also create evergreen content that will always be growing, so that you made a video about, let's say you made a video about the 7 ways to make incredible pancakes. It's a random idea, I know, but in 6 years from now, someone's still going to want to know how to create pancakes. So it's creating content that is evergreen, that people will want to watch a year from now or 3 years from now. That video could literally have a boost 3 years from now where it gets an extra million views that you weren't expecting to get, which makes you an extra $8,000 3 years from now that you weren't expecting to make. So you want to use viral surfing to get to the top, but you want to use the sustainability hack to stay there. That's really the way that you want to think about it. And if you're strategic about how you balance it, like I would do half trending content and half evergreen content, half viral surfing, half the sustainability hack. That way you'll be set for the future for your channel. So if you do the module like I talked about, and it's just like a flywheel where your content will just pour into each other, and you'll always have the income coming in from the content that you've created. So what will happen is people will watch your trending content, then they're going to watch your evergreen content, and the people that watch your evergreen content will watch your trending content, and we'll just compound from there. So I'm not going to go ahead and beat the bush. I think you guys get what I'm talking about at the point. So I want you guys to be doing half evergreen content and half viral content, and if you do that, you're not only going to get to the top, but you're also going to stay at the top. So real quick, the last thing I want to talk about before we get off here is, once again, I want to jump into the fact that I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the comments from the channel. I have had a few members sign up for my Patreon page, and they're getting that exclusive access and that exclusive content. So if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and send me a message and we'll get you hooked up and set up, and you can go ahead and get all the benefits from this course in its entirety. But I really do appreciate y'all for watching the videos. I want to thank you for being subscribers. I love you all. Have a great rest of your day and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye bye.